is a mood trigger tutorial, and this is my first video I've ever made. Okay, let's get started. Okay, so first, you want to place down a mood trigger, like that. And then next, you're gonna want to build your structure. Okay, that was my brother in the background. So you're gonna need to build your structure, like something like the wall, like for the basic move, in case you don't know. Okay, so now you want to select it all, get a group ID of 1 or whatever you're thinking, and then you're gonna need to go to the mood trigger, edit object, and then if you want to make it go up in this case, you need to change the Y. And like for example, like 30, like 10, like 10 is 1 block, and then you want to change the time for it, like maybe like not 30, like 0.4 seconds. Okay, now you see that? Okay, now we're gonna do something else, and at the end of the video, we're going to make a boss fight with just mood triggers. Okay, we're gonna do the next thing now. We can do more, so you can just we can do you can place this here, and set it with a group ID. With the group ID, no, it's my brother in the background. Okay, and then you want to make it like that. And then you're gonna want to make it like follow the camera, and then you see it's gonna follow the camera, but it's moving up. So I need to do something. Okay. Wait. So you want to change the Y still to like nothing. And then, yeah, and then you see it moves, but then it stops. So this is what you're gonna need to do. You go to the mood trigger, and then go to the mood time. And you can do a really high number, but this one's better, -1. That's all you need to do to make it go infinite. And you see it follows you forever. Okay, so now we're gonna do something else. Okay, so you just select the move trigger, and we're gonna do target mode. Okay, wait, no, player mode, not target. We're doing player mode. And so basically, this is what it's going to do. It's going to follow the player and do it like that. Make sure it's like under where you want, but there's a better option. And right now, it's only following me on the X. So I'm gonna need to do something else. So you see this? You need to select both if you want to follow like that. See, if you jump over it, it's going to be broken. That's why I said there's another better way. So if you just do that, you see it dudes like that. But yeah, so you're going to need, so there's an even better way to do this. We'll do that in another video. The advanced follow trigger. So yeah, now we're gonna do the target mode. So you take two objects, and then you move it like that, and then you make one with a group ID and make one with another group ID. To move, you change it to a target mode, and then you change and then you make it target a thing, and then make the target go to the other area. And then the move time has to be something else, not -1, or it's going to go instantly. So you need to do something like 1 or 0.5 or default. So you see they go into each other, and yeah. So that's how you move target. And now that's all I know about it. So now I'm recording this after, so it may be a bit like weird. Okay, and now we're building the boss fight. You make it bigger. Well, if it's not big enough like you want, you can use the warp, and then the warp can make it go like crazy like this. But yeah. So now you we're gonna make it proper like this big. Then change it to that to ship mode if you want, or wave, any flyable one. Or if you want to do cube, you can get a lot more complex, or robot, or yeah. And then make it follow the camera. You see it kills you. You'll make mistakes. You're gonna make it go follow you forever using -1, or how long you want it the boss to be. But since it's this big, has to be like that. You see if it does that. Now it follows you forever. So we already went through this, but it's missing one thing. So we need some like projectiles. So gonna make another projectile. You can really make anything as long as it kills you with a hitbox. If you're more advanced, you can create it on your own. But we're keeping this simple. So you need to get like the saw blade or something. Since that's so big, you're gonna want to make this big too. So yeah, and then so another group ID. You want to make sure they don't have the same group ID, and I don't know what that is, so I'm not gonna mess around with that. And then you see, but now we need to make it actually shoot it. So make that actually shoot it. Something out. So we add another move trigger, and then we do target mode, and then we take the second one and then make it go to the monster, and then make sure it's silent if you want it to be good. So you see that, you see the second move trigger, it does that. Now we can do another one. So you don't have to. So you don't have to do the same thing over again. You can just copy and paste it, and then move it over, just like that. But yeah, there's another thing there needs to be done. So if you move them really close together, just like that, you see like this happens. So you're gonna need to create another projectile with another group ID, and that's gonna be like better. So yeah, and then you just need to copy and paste it, and then you change the group ID to like 3 or something, and then once it's like that, you just change this to 3 instead, and then you can go, and then you'll see how it goes like that. It's simple. Now, you can do more than that. You can now I'm gonna make the boss fight, which is gonna take a bunch of time. So I'm editing this right now, so you can do more than that. So yeah. Okay, now I'm making the. So now I just need to tell you one more thing. Since like the boss just stays in place, you can do this. Like you change it to the group ID, and then you make it move like, let's say, up like 3 blocks. So now moves like that. You'll see it's like that, and then that one, it moves up. So now, yeah. That's what you do to make it, and then you can make it go down like that.
板場にいつも行くのじゃソファー。 你一个人是说阿公以为你神经病。
Okay, that's my grandpa in the background, and he's messing me up. So yeah, that's how you move it up and down. Yeah. Now I'm gonna show everything else. So now I'm done with the boss fight. And you see how like that, and it goes that way. Goes that. Well, yeah. Basically, this is a really simple boss fight. You can do even more. But we just want to use the move trigger. Okay. Yeah, I'm done. Okay. Yeah. And you just learned how to use the move trigger in all the ways that I know. So yeah. And did you hear any background noises? Yeah. Yeah, I think I'm gonna do this again. And I just realized I should have changed the background. Now you know. And if there are any background noises, then we'll I might need to build a fort in the next video. So yeah.